Hi guys, I'm Rich from Arc Torchology, and today I'm going to show you why you should be using the new Arc M2. So I know it's easy to think that all welding torches are basically the same. I mean, they all do the same job, don't they? I could start by throwing a lot of technical terms around and talk about the technological advancements we've pioneered, because they're pretty impressive. But today I'm here to cut through all of that and give you the real reasons why the Arc M2 is the torch you need. It's rated at 230 amps and welds up to 1 mil wires. Now you're thinking, well Rich, that's just the same as something like an MB25. No, they're both welding torches, I'll give you that, but that's where the similarities end. If you look at them side by side, you can see straight away they look different. The M2 is 20% lighter, and after a long day's work, you really will feel the difference. We've made sure that the weight of the torch is distributed evenly. The shape is designed to fit your hand, so it naturally sits right here without you needing to hold it too tight. It's lightweight and balanced, just make it overall much easier to hold and maneuver around, and that makes it a great tool for all-day welding and ideal for a lot of positional welds. It definitely reduces the strain and discomfort you can feel after a long welding session. And at the end of the day, the welder is the most important part of the process. So making it better for you has really been our focus. One of the other good things about this torch is it's got a specially designed insulator that makes spatter removal so much easier. All you do is twist the nozzle and the spatter falls off. Just look at that. No more build-up and hard to remove spatter that sometimes makes the gas nozzle stick. To make sure you always know what parts to reorder, all of the parts are laser marked with the reference numbers, so replacing them is simple. Have you noticed the neck looks different too? I know we're meant to be careful with our tools, but we all know they get knocked around a bit. It's hard to avoid. This is armour plated, so it can stand the knocks. The materials used helps improve insulation levels. So as you can see from our brief introduction, it's not just an MB25. This tool is so much more. We've taken a 230 amp torch and made it better. It's been designed with you in mind. To make your work life easier and to learn more about the technologies involved, please visit the website or get in touch today.